So in this video we are going to install this Visual Studio Code, and this is the text editor like Sublime Text or Atom, and we can edit our Python code and we can execute our Python scripts. In Google, type the VS Code, and the first website is code.visualstudio.com. Click on this, and there is also a IDE high, that is Visual Studio, that is a very big IDE, but we are just using the Python, that's why Visual Studio Code is enough. And you need to click on this download for Windows, and then download this and run as we run the Python installer. Like in the same way you run this one, I will leave this to your exercise installing this Visual Studio Code. Now after installation you will get the screen like this, and all you want to do is you need to modify some settings. Click on the settings and go to the settings, and first one you need to type is font size. Okay, here it is. You need to increase the font size. By default you will get very small font size. Choose it about 22, and then type the mouse, and okay, now choose this option mouse wheel zoom. uh, just tick this one, it will be unticked by default, just tick this. So that's all for this settings. And coming to the extensions, click on this one, extensions. This is the file explorer, and this is the search command, you can search through the files. And this is the git extension. I think you don't see this because I have this course markdown file open. This is one is the debugging, you can set the breakpoint and you can debug through the program. And this one is extensions. Now we are going to search for Python, and this one is the Python extension. So you need to install this one. I have already installed, that's why it's saying disable and install. So you just click on this install, and then next one is the theme. You want to set some themes so that your text editor and the code looks somewhat neat and visible to everyone. The theme I'm going to use is Predawn. So this one I have installed this Predawn theme kit, and this is just an recommendation. You can choose the whatever themes you want. And the next one is Code Runner. So I did not install this because we can run directly the Python commands from here. This Code Runner can run all these languages. See, you can see there are so many languages. You can just install this, but this is just an option, and like it's like overwhelming for this Python course, sorry, Python section. So that's all for this video. You can just search for all the extensions, and there is also Visual Studio Marketplace. Where is this marketplace? So let me type this VS Code. So marketplace, so here you will get some extensions related to themes and other as well. You can see most popular extensions here, and you can also search for themes. Click on themes and renters, etc. If you okay, now let me open this file which we have created earlier, that is the downloads and sample.py. So by default it will be like this, and there will be some notifications coming on. Install this linter or pylinter, etc. You need to click yes, and it will install in the command line. So if you click on this extensions again, this pane will be closed. Now let's execute this one. You can see before here there is no green color play button. Whenever I open the Python file, there is a run button. So this is the run button. If you run this, the script will execute it. So it's saying no Python interpreter is selected. You need to select a Python interpreter. Select Python interpreter, and now click on this Python 3.9. So it's saying now let's install this Python pylint. So our packages will be installed in few minutes. So now my packages are being installed. You can delete this terminal, like killing the terminal, and you can run this again. So as you can see, there is the output hi and hello world. So that's all for this video. I hope you have understood and you just install this Visual Studio Code